Next one, let's implement when enter button is clicked. So with button, get enter button. So when enter button is clicked, we need to read a number from the text field and then enter it into the calculator. At this moment, we find that we need the calculator object we have defined inside the model. So calculator simulator, let's have a private member calculator as a calculator object there. Then this needs to be accessed by button click listener. So let's provide a public getter for that. Get calculator, return calculator. And also, we need to have access to the number field. So let's give a getter for that as well. Public J text field get num field there. Also, as we make progress, we need to update the display. So we need to give a getter for that as well. J text area get display, return display there. Go back to the button click listener. As enter button is clicked, we are going to read a number from num field. So what you do is double value is double, has a parse double method there. And then from panel get num field, and get text is how to read the text data inside the number field there. Then that should be entered into calculator. So panel get calculator and enter value. So we enter the first one, and then we want to update the display. As we just continue to add info messages onto the display, we need to read the current text message on the display, and then we need to add that. So to do so, as we click the buttons, we need to attach the message to the current message. So let's have a string. Message is panel get display get text, the current existing message, and then give a line break there. So that's a current value. And then what you want to do is panel dot get display dot set text. And then with the m, which is whatever existing value, and then a line break. Then we give a value and then say entered. That's what we want to update the display. And then after entering them, let's reset the number field. Get num field set text blank. So we just clear the number field after entering them. So at this moment, if not a number is entered, let me show you by running the program. So run calculator simulator. So if I type 20, enter, 20 is entered, and 34, enter. So a message is simply attached to the current existing one, 8. But if I type non-number, exception occurs because that is an error. The parse double has a number format exception occurs. So we need to detect that one. So on the button click, what you do is we just set up try catch. So try this operation and catch if any error occurs. So parse double may throw number format exception, may throw that. If that exception is thrown, that means whatever you got from the number field is not a correct number. So let's indent those ones. In error case, what you want to do is we don't want to enter into the calculator, but we say panel get display set text. What you want to do is as follows. First, existing message, and then panel get num field get text. Echo that is saying invalid number message, and then panel get num field set text. Just reset the message there. So we have number from exception E, because E is already used there, so there's some problem. So we say exception, different variable there. So let's test this case. Go back to main, run calculator simulator. So if I enter 89, okay, but if I do HJ is invalid number. So everything looks good.